teach manufacturing, construction, intro to engineering design, and civil engineering and architecture. Students mainly design, draw, and make different things. For example, here's a cube that the students made. There's 5 pieces that they had to make out of 27 small components, and they had to interlock. Each one of these pieces had to contain between 3 and 6 smaller pieces, so they had some constraints that they had to deal with. Think it through, draw it out with a pencil, refine it on a computer, and then actually make the thing. Another example is a candy dispenser. This was made in a manufacturing class for sale. Students designed the apparatus, drew it up, made a prototype, presented it to the class, and then came up with the final results, which we mass produced and sold as a stock in a company. We've done several different things. If you look around the room, you'll see the different projects that were made in manufacturing. We've also done mazes, package designs in intro to engineering design, and we do architectural models in civil engineering and architecture. We have a lot of the classes that we offer through Project Lead the Way are dual credit classes, so a student can take this class and get college credit for it. Several former students have taken classes such as Intro to Engineering Design and have gotten some pretty decent summer jobs at some of the orthopedic companies doing some of their graphics design and blueprint detailing. One of my favorite sayings is life is tough. It's even tougher if you're stupid. Take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way, including taking technology classes that will help you down the road with careers or just everyday things that you do at home.
In this class, we design things on the computer and animate them to make them work. Earlier this year, we made a puzzle cube, and right now we're making a train and it's supposed to move on the tracks. It really is a lot of fun. Like, you get to learn how to do things on the computer, you get to animate them, and once it works out, it's really cool.
I teach digital electronics, biotechnical engineering, communication systems, communication processes, and engineering 1 robotics and engineering 2 robotics. In digital electronics, we deal with circuits, truth tables. We go through a simulation on the computer software. After the simulation, the students actually build it on a digital logic board where they test their circuit with multimeters, along with using LEDs to see if their circuit works. We also solder various digital circuit boards as well as wires. Another class we teach is communication systems and processes. We design and make your own t-shirt, as well as we do podcasts, button making. We work with Owl's Animation, and we make our own notepad. There's several projects that deal with communication that are fun and exciting for students to do. The class I teach is Engineering 1 Robotics and 2. That is where we deal with waterbotics, which is underwater Legos. And we also build a Vex robot where we compete in a competition that a lot of students come throughout Indiana to compete in. So we do a lot of hands-on activities in all of my classes, as well as testing your design and seeing how it works. What I would like to tell students is if you like to work with your hands and develop skills that will later help you in life, these classes would be a great classes for you to take. A lot of these courses in this area are dual college credit. These credits can transfer to other state colleges as well.
Well, I'm looking, to be an engineer and everything, and I wanted to see, kind of what the digital side is, because I haven't taken any class like this. I just wanted to see if it was something I'd be interested in maybe doing in college. In the beginning of the year, we worked with soldering IC chips and with circuits and everything, and now we're more on the digital side. So we're designing them on a program called Multisim and just testing them out and everything. So that's really interesting. I'd say that they're really helpful, and they can help you figure out, what you want to do in college and maybe when you get out of college. And, it's just fun overall, and it's a good thing to do.